For Windows users, certain words are reserved for system actions or devices, so you can't normally use them as file or folder names. But you don't have to worry, as there's a simple trick to get around this. And so in this video, we will show you step by step how to create a folder named con, which is one of the block terms in Windows Computer. So for the first method, simply use the numbers on the number pad on your keyboard, and are not the ones at the top of the keyboard. So you can start the process by creating a new folder from the desktop by right-clicking, select New Folder, name it as con, but don't press enter yet. You have to hold down Alt, then type in the number 255, or you can also use the Alt and then the 0160 on the number pad, then press enter. But if you're using desktop computer, what you can try to do is open command prompt in your computer, run it as an administrator, type in the following, then press enter. Just take note that you can give whatever path you want in place of the C. Then that's it. The folder has been created. You just also have to remember that you must use a command prompt to delete it as well. You can do that by typing in the following command. But basically, that's how to name a folder named con on a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.